Right,
Those
someone's going to want this.
organization will love this.
Loves organisation. What do you mean? 1955? Oh my god, it looks amazing. Pull out shelvings on the roller bearer. Oh my god, it's perfect. Removable basket. 1955. Oh my god, look at that. New fridge who? Tempered glass shelving. Oh right. Eggs. Excellent. They made this in 1950. That's crazy. What's the ice cube section? In the fridge? In the fridge? Or is that the freezer? It's massive. It is. I love the old school design. Was there a lot made or what? There's a bit for the butter. Oh my. That's got to be worth something.